As expected, Nvidia was up 2% today. And the reason that we thought that price was going to bounce as we were heading into the Fed is because of the buying pressure on this daily chart. You're going to see that in any market structure, whether it is bullish or it is bearish, we're basically going to move in one of three ways. The first way is what's called an expansion. This is when price is bouncing or breaking out with buying pressure shown on the BX trender. In bearish structure, price will normally bounce but not make a previous high and not take this initial high out before selling off one more time. This is why a couple of weeks ago we were calling this potential 21% bounce before the BX begins to make lower highs and shows that sellers are stepping in. Now, the other way that price could move is called a capitulation. This is where price shows a top within bearish structure, then we make lower highs into lower lows. That 21% push that we had in just a couple of weeks was then followed up by a 21% sell-off within 7 days. And this brings us to where we are right now. You will notice that price is still in short-term bearish structure. We are still making lower lows and lower highs, but the buying pressure in the BX trender is showing higher lows as of Tuesday, the 11th of March. And this is when we became bullish on Nvidia. At this point, I don't have a position because there's so many other stocks that are on my watch list. But if we would have entered this trade back on March 11th, we would be up about 10%. Now, as far as a target is considered, we're not expecting price to push its way all the way up into all-time highs. If that were to happen, that's great. But what we think is going to happen until now is that price is going to continue to expand, most likely to $124 or $128 before a potential rejection. If I was currently bullish on this stock, I would be watching the BX trender. I would want to see that there is still buying pressure coming in each and every single day, and I would continue to let this position run up into that resistance level. If you want to learn our exact trading strategy that takes less than 30 minutes per day and get access to the indicators we used in this video, go check out our free courses. The link is in the description, and I recommend starting with the Elite Trading Playbook.